In this video, I'm going to show you how to use the Finish Line Caulk pre-filled precision applicator in the color Clear. Our pre-filled applicator can be used indoors or out with precision. It works great for caulking windows, doors, siding, gutter, trim, cement, stucco, brick, and more. Our pre-filled precision applicator in the color Clear offers an acrylic urethane elastomeric formula, and 2 tips are included. It offers high precision, it's easy to use, it's portable, and it's perfect for most smaller jobs around the house, like this vanity. Let me show you how it works.
Each Finish Line caulk tube comes ready to use with precision dispensing tips. After opening the package, remove the tube and 2 tips, take off the cap, and then twist one of the tips onto the tube. For best results, you'll want to cut the tip at a 45-degree angle. This helps smooth the bead as the sealant is dispensed. You can cut the tip smaller or larger depending on the bead size needed for your project. When you want to apply it, no extra tools are necessary. Hold the tube by the fin with your fingers and then press the plunger with your thumb while moving the tube steadily along the joint. Use even pressure and a consistent speed for a smooth, controlled bead.
I like to use a finger protector, and I'm just going to run my finger right down this bead. I have almost no waste. You can't really see it, but here it is. I'm going to put it on this finger. That is about how much extra sealant I used, because you're putting the sealant where you want it to be, not where you don't want it to be, and you're laying down a small bead right where you need it.
When first applied, clear sealant may appear white. This is normal. As the sealant cures, it will become clear to slightly opaque depending on the bead thickness.
This sealant has been curing for about 24 hours. And this acrylic urethane elastomeric sealant is designed to stay flexible after curing. So when materials naturally expand and contract, the seal can move with them. Our Finish Line Caulk applicator is pre-filled and ready to use. It has high precision and requires very little skill to use. It's perfect for most jobs around the house, is resealable, and has replaceable tips. If you want your job to look like the pros did it, make the right choice. Choose Finish Line every time.